going to show you how to use a small scrap piece on your roll-fed cutter if you don't have a mat like they use for a Cricut cutter. Just going to take a piece of material. This is just some generic white decal material. I'm going to put my scrap right in the middle. I'm literally just going to tape this guy down on the edges because I only need a little piece in here. I'm going to load this into my cutter. I'm going to go ahead and load the scrap into my cutter, and it's going to notice it as the full sheet, but I'm going to set my origin on the part of the scrap that I'm actually going to cut. So it really makes no difference to the machine how wide my scrap piece is. All it needs to know is this, and then I tell it where to start with the origin. So we're going to go over here to the scrap piece right there, and I already have my pressure, my speed, everything set for the blade, so we're good to go there. Set the origin, and I'm simply going to send the artwork over. Now this art that I'm dealing with right now is a 1.5 inch by 0.46, so it's very small. And right there, no problems. Cut it perfectly. Let's see if I can weed it without a weeding tool. Probably not. I'm gonna go back over here and grab. Okay, got my weeding tool. This is a scrap piece here. And right there, from this little scrap, taped to a big piece of scrap, I was able to get the graphic I needed. Hope that helps you.